Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I would like to show you how I created this half-up style on my beautiful model Elsa. I just did a middle parting, so go with the comb through the middle, and then I left out from the front hair some strands. Now I'm going to take a 3-finger wide, about 5 centimeters wide section from the top. I split this in the middle and then into 4 equal strands. Now we are starting from the front side to go over the second and then under the third strand, and from behind doing the other way around, under and over. So before I do this again, I add in some hair, I go over the middle strand and then under. You are always doing the same pattern. You're going from the front over and under, and then from the back under and over. Let me show you again how I do it. Now I brought the strand under, I add in some hair and I go over the neighbor strand. Now I go over, I add in some hair and I go with these two under. Now bring the back strand under, add in some hair, go over, and now go over with the front, add in some hair and bring it under. Now behind, the one from the back goes under, over. Now the front is going to go over, over, under, under, over, over, under and under, over. It's so much easier when you don't have to add in hair. So what you can do at the very beginning, if you want to try this kind of style, just don't add in hair. Take a thicker strand, start the braid a bit more down below and just make a 4-strand braid. Now when you have practiced, you can try to add in the hair. Always bring the first strand over or under before you add in some hair. What you saw me doing here is using 2 different powders to give volume. One is stronger than the other, but it's very sticky, so I'm mixing them, and then I'm pulling the outer edges. To fix everything when the braid is done, I'm using some hairspray. You see, I do exactly the same thing on the other side, 4 strands, and we are starting from the front again to go over and then under from the back and over the neighbor strand. The strand that travels is the one that starts on the front going over, and then when you have added some hair, you go under the neighbor. Now again, bring it under, add in some hair and bring it over the neighbor. Now bring it over, add in some hair and under, under. Add in some hair, hold it between your fingertips, try to make it neat, and over the neighbor. Let the strand travel from the front over, add in some hair, and then under the next neighbor. Now again under, add in some hair, oops, like this, and bring all together over the neighbor. You do this, I normally add in hair until I reach over the ear. If that is a guideline for you, that could help. And then when I have 4 equal strands, actually you have 3 equal strands, because one strand is the one that gets wrapped around from the middle, where we never add in hair, so it will be thinner and it makes a very special pattern. And this is how we create a 4-strand braid. So remember, over, under, under, over. When there is no more hair above the ear to add in, there where we start to curve to the back of the head, you just make the regular 4-strand braid. Over, under, and then the right hand side now under and over. From the left, from the front, over and under, and from the back, from the right, under and over. You have to make sure that you reach minimum the middle of the head when you pull it back. Now I'm using powder. If you don't have this powder, don't worry. You can always use some hairspray, pull gently the outer edges, start very outer edges, and then if you want to make it even wider, take a bit more. Now, after you fix the braids with a clear elastic, take the hair from the back of the head and, yeah, I don't know how you say it, I just bring some side strands over and then I pull a bit on the top to give it volume. You can use hairspray, and now bring the right hand strand, the right braid over, fix it where you have the bobby pins, and I'm using a small topsy tail tool to bring the other braid through the right braid. Now hide the clear elastic, and this is our final result. A double 4-strand braid, both sides joined in the back, and she has natural curly hair. I really hope you like this style. I was so happy to have her as my model. Hope to see you back very soon. We are uploading 2 videos every week, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Laughter echoes off these walls.